burning stars, I really need your help. We're urgently addressing the drought on our land, trying to save what we can. Tree by tree, drop by drop. If you believe in restoration, in nature, and in making a difference, please like and subscribe. It means more than you know. Let's keep this mission alive together.
So today is June the 16th of 2025 and it's 7:36. And regarding the property, I have bad news. Yesterday, June 15th, Father's Day, we visited the property in the Sacramento Mountains, and when we got there, unfortunately, we saw something that we didn't like. There was many, like at least 5 trees that are not looking good. Fortunately, I had 65 gallons of water, and I was able to place some of all the trees that needed the water. And it got me real disappointed. I've been working so hard on it, and just to see it all brown, the ponderosa pine trees are turning brown, and we need to do something about it. I got really depressed when I saw it. I was supposed to film another video about the progress, and unfortunately I couldn't. I just did the water and I came back. But that'll change this today. So basically, I just ordered a larger bag. I think this is 100 gallons. And tomorrow we're gonna go in an urgent matter. I will leave work like around 1 o'clock, and then we'll take off to the Sacramento Mountains and see. So this is the box. I ordered this from Amazon. You can't see me. So I ordered this box from Amazon. It was same day shipping. That's fortunate that we have an Amazon some blocks away. So let's check out the insides of this thing. You should be really careful because most of these items are bags for water. So I'll go slowly. Okay, I think these are the tree bags. These basically fill up. Please zip them into the tree. Come on. So you put it over the trunk, and if by any chance the trunk is larger than this, but basically you tie 2 of them together. I'll leave an Amazon link if you are interested in one of these bags. Okay, let's check out this other box. Again, slowly. Gallons of water. Yeah, here it is. Okay, yeah, let me go ahead and bring you in so you can check it out closely and see what I'm talking about, because we have to lay it in this. So here it is. It's just basically a blue bag. Has this spout. We're gonna fill it up. We'll see how much time it takes to fill up and how will the Tacoma be affected. If I did my calculations properly, this 100 gallons should weigh, I think it should weigh like 850 pounds. So I'll be carrying 150 pounds, and then we'll be carrying it in the cockpit at least another 56 gallons. Okay, so here's the bag. We just need to add the attachments that goes to them. Look at the cap that goes on the top. We have the spout. Your valve. I hate when this happens. You have to, probably it will break. There we go. And there we go. So now that we have our bag, let's go ahead and fill it up. Supposedly it's 100 gallons. I don't know how much time is it gonna take, but I was figuring out an idea. I think we can connect my hose here directly and just open it and then just close it whenever we're done. Let me go ahead and check if that is possible. And guess what, folks? It does fit. I had to get another hose, but see, this will go in there and I will backfill the whole bag through here. I think it should go faster, and then I'll take this hose to help me fill either gallons, or I'll use the little pump that I was using yesterday. Okay, we are back, and here it goes. Nothing, it is connected. Let's just follow and see if everything works out good. Let's turn it on slowly. Go. Let's check over there, and then we'll do a time frame to see how low the truck will get. Yes, it's filling. Oh my God, I can't believe it worked. This is cool. I just need to keep on pushing this up. Oh yeah, it's filling up. Look at that. Okay, let me go ahead and do that time frame for you guys. We will put a mark right there and see if it affected the weight. So I think we're good. So I don't know if the video we're gonna be able to see if the truck went down. But there you go. Should be 100 gallons of water. Hopefully, yes, it's 100 gallons of water. That will help me out. Should close properly, and tomorrow we'll just go take it easy. And thank you very much. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and give me a follow and like. And if you can, spread the word that we need to do something about our trees, because those are the ones that give us the oxygen. They give us wood and they give us life. I forgot about a neat feature that the Tacomas have, well, especially the 3rd gen. I don't know the other ones, but the seats, the back seats. Yeah, I know this is about overlanding. Just go like that, and we'll have like a little cubby right here. I will put my bag here so it doesn't like go crazy around all the places. Should fit right here. So let me go ahead and get the other side. Give me 1 second. When you do overland, everything gets messy. I wish these were like the FJ cruisers, be plastic upholstery. That will be better. So let me go ahead and put that tarp. Okay, got the bag right here. It's connected. Hopefully I don't make a mess. So stand by. It looks like the idea is working once again. So let's say 150 gallons. Total weight comes out to 1,200 pounds. I don't know if you can hear that. A chassis flexing. Oh, I don't like that. Wow. Hopefully everything will be okay. If not, we'll have to let go of one. Probably right there in the desert, but I'll keep you posted. So I got some stuff, guys, for it's another day. Today is Tuesday. We're going out to the property. There's the truck. As you can see, it is a little bit squatty, but no issues. We can handle it. It's 103, I think. Let me show you the water. There you go. It's 100 gallons. And here is 56 gallons. So let's hit up the road. So I don't know how is it gonna withstand the suspension, because I already see the suspension like flexing too much. And yesterday it was not that bad, but we'll see. We'll see. And it's 102 and it's dusty. So we made it to Oro Grande. It's a pretty little cool town. It's pretty small. Not even 20 people live in there. Most of them either work there or retired here. We're doing actually a pretty good time. Just the wind is pushing me to my right, but nothing too hard. The temperature right now here is 103, 104, and we're ranging about 19.7 miles per gallon, so it's not bad. So the base is over there, Oro Grande base, or the White Sands Missile Range. You can reach it over there. Go ahead and add some fuel and we'll be on our way. A bunch of abandoned houses. There's one, there's another one right there. So yeah, pretty small. Okay, we're ready to go. We got a full tank. I got me some water. We'll go ahead and check out the little town pretty quick. Just pass by and see it. And then we're almost close to the border patrol. Hopefully they don't take me back and ask for my papers. So stand by. This place that is coming up, it's pretty cool. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. And they do have a post office. It's right there. And you can see that church right there. It's closed, but you can check it out. Hopefully one day we can come in and check it out. So I'm thinking we should arrive there. Right now it's 1:16. Hopefully we can arrive and there's some kind of shade so that I can work quicker and without getting so heat exhaustion. We don't have that much water. We're drinking water for the trees we have. So I don't know if you can see it on video, but you can see kind of like smoke. There it is, you can see it right there. That's actually smoke from the Gila Mountains. There is an active fire right now. And unfortunately, it's consuming a lot of acres. You can see right there. That's smoke from probably 200 miles away. And we're also almost approaching the Border Patrol checkpoint. Just out of respect, we'll go ahead and turn off the cameras. Those guys need their privacy. They have a pretty hard job right now, especially. Unfortunately, things are happening, and yeah, well, I'm neutral. I'm an immigrant as well. So, I'll see you soon. Okay guys, we made it past the checkpoint. The guy did ask me why did I have stuff in the back, and I explained to him, well, it's basically water for the property since it's been so dry. He was pretty cool about it, and he even told me, hey, that's pretty interesting what you're doing. So hopefully he checks out the channel. I didn't tell anything about it, but yeah, this is where we have to be really careful, because I don't know if you can check out, the road is real bumpy. So okay guys, I'm just gonna do a time lapse of this area just so that you can check out what we have to do in order to bring that water. So now we're gonna hit the dirt road. It should be like that for like 10 miles, 15 miles. I'm gonna just test it out to see if it's feasible because of the suspension, especially the leaf springs. Hopefully everything goes okay, and we should get there in about 2 hours based on my speed. And hopefully the bags of water will go ahead and survive, and we can help out with that. I also wanted to tell you about a product, and this is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. I've been looking on social media, and it's this product. Let me get it. It's this. It's called glue thread, and it's a kit. It's basically patches for your sidewall. Almost crashed. It's patches for your sidewall, so if something were to happen in the trail, you just repair it with this. Everything is inside. I've never had to use it, so that's cool. I've had this for at least 4 months, but I know that I'm in the trail. I am safe. This is the kit, the medium kit. It has plugs, sidewall patches, and it has 2 valves if by any chance you break the valve. Like I told you, it's not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money just since I do this constantly. As you can notice, the terrain has changed. You start to see now pine trees. pinon trees that are slightly bigger. Whoa. They're not doing good. I think this is the steepest area that I have to go. For safety, I'll just put it on 4x4. I wish there were levers instead of. Let me see if I give a little bit of a. There it is. There's 4x4. And here we go. There it goes. It downshifted. Oh, the water's moving really crazy. Okay, good. Okay guys, we have made it. And unfortunately it looks sad. Let me show it to you. This is a property right here. You can see this guy. You see that guy right there. You can see them right away how they look brown. Even in this area. It's really sad, but let's go ahead and do our work. Let's go ahead and do what we can, and hopefully they either recuperate or they stay alive and they still become a little bit greener. But let's go ahead and do it. No more sobbing. Let's get back to work. Let's get to work and finish this. So we made it. I'm in the property now. The taco's right there. And let me show you. We were here Sunday, the 15th, and we did something about what was going on. Fortunately, I had 60 gallons of water, 50 to 60 gallons of water, and I started just pouring water to wherever trees, and it looks promising. They look a little bit better. I know it's been only like a day and a half, but they look better. Let me show you the worst one. This guy right there, see how brown he is? He still has a little bit of green here, 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 and here in this area. In this area. His neighbor too is not that good, see? Right there. I think this guy's gonna be the most important. So let's go and take our tools over there. Okay, so that's what we did. So really quick, I will make it slightly bigger and deeper and then apply the water to this guy. Better, it's deeper. It wasn't that hard because like I told you, we already came in on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so we'll fill it out with water. So hopefully this guy, so let's do that next because I think this guy needs the water urgently. I'll bring the taco and then I'll put it probably right here. So stand by, let me go ahead and bring the taco so we can bring the water here. I think this is the area that needs most of the water, especially all of these trees. I didn't see this guy. but I'll do the same. Let's get the water ready. I think we're gonna use the inside water first. Take this water first and then use the pump. Okay, let me get ready for that. What I end up doing is basically gonna get this bucket. I connected my hose and then I'll fill out this bucket. I'll transport it there and fill out those bags. It took 3 bags, but it's worth it. This tree 40-50 feet tall, so it's worth it. We'll try to save them. I am doing so because it is limited what this little hose will go ahead and reach, so it's better to take a 5-gallon, and I know that I put 5 and 5, I'll put 15 gallons into it. So let's go ahead and do so. So look at this contraption that I came up with. Isn't nature amazing? So it's there, it's getting the water from the bucket, goes to the line, and then into the bag. It's working. Let's check if it's taking. Yeah, you can see a drip right now. See that little drip? Okay, let's check it out. Yeah. It's gonna be slow, but we have to do it. And see, just to show you, I put 5 gallons here. It already went away. This guy, I think we should just do it right here. One area, one big area here. Looks like a house for a little animal. Hopefully it's not a snake. This guy, I have to save him. He's savable. On this one, I think I did a good job at the first try on Sunday. It should be good. Circles around, so let me go ahead and dump the water. Whoops, not that way. There we go. See, there you go. Really? Let me get 5 more, and this should be fine. Okay, guys. Hopefully you can hear those little animals. I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna stay quiet, walk into them, and see. They're kind of some insects. Okay guys, good news. We are now in the 100 gallons water bag. Check it out. Just basically put it down and then open it. And we wait. This way up is real steep. I'm gonna try this here, and hopefully, so wish me luck. It lost me. Okay. Feels better. I'll be back. Give me just a second. Okay, all the trees in this area are done. It does take time because we have to take the water up, and that consumes a lot of energy. So let me go ahead and do so. Let's go ahead and move the Tacoma. Okay guys, 2 more trees to go and we're done. Here's one of them. And the sun is almost down. We're fine. We still can go and do it. It's right there. I want to show you, this is a juniper. And in order to save itself from dying, he will do this. I don't know if you can see on the floor. He will go ahead and throw these out since he cannot, because he doesn't have any water. There's 5. Let's get 5 more. On this one I put the water right here because as you can see he's right here, so he's going right here and he's stretching. So that's 10. I think I will do 15 since we have plenty of water and we have 2 more, and after that I'm just gonna go ahead and spread the rest Oh, there's another guy over here. Let's do that one. I almost forgot about this guy. So let's go ahead and bring him some water. The water right there. Now let's go get this guy. Oh man, this is just the hard part. Did I do a little? Yeah. See, it's still humid in there. I also did one right there. Oh, and then those are done. I did one there. Oh, this guy's gone. This guy is searching. I'll do this guy. Half and half. I also did this guy right here. Okay, let me do that. Come on, baby. Drink it up. Drink it up. Let me get more. Okay, guys, we're almost done. Just those two right there. And how am I gonna do it? Is basically take the truck out, put it right there, and then walk like that. We have to take out the Tacoma through here. The good thing is that if we were to get stuck, I've watched almost all of the videos for Murphy's Diesel, Wrecker Rick, so shouldn't be any issue. So stand by, folks. Hopefully it doesn't sue me. That's not good. I fell in the hole. No problem. Go ahead and fill up the bucket. That guy needs water. While we're here, let's give him 5 gallons. Okay, it's 5 gallons. I think for these guys, we will need to better our trench, our levee. Nice. So let's go. So as you can see, we already dug those. Should be good. We're gonna start pouring. This guy needs one. Oh no, there it is. This one has two. That's good. Let me bring more. Okay, enough with this guy. Hopefully I don't fall. For some reason, I started to get more energy. I think it's the sun. So let me bring some more. 15 gallons. Hopefully that's sufficient. And we're done. Oh. So that water will help us until the rain comes in. Supposedly in a week we should have water. So hopefully we'll get some water. But yeah, look at how nice. That is beautiful. We did it. We finished. All the trees that were under stress are watered at least 15 to 20 gallons each one. So that's good. That should help us out. So we're done. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your likes, your subscriptions. Hopefully you can continue on supporting me. Look at how beautiful. That is nice. So thank you very much for watching. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you continue to watch and like my videos, I will bring more content like this and we will have this place greener than ever. Adios.